Welcome to this gentle yoga flow. Today we'll focus on relieving back tension and also stretching any tightness you might hold in your legs. Let's begin standing at the front of the mat. Step your feet about hip-width distance apart, then bend the knees and start folding forward. And bend the knees as much as necessary to bring the chest towards your thighs. And then from here, hold onto the opposite elbows and allow the upper body to just drape down over your thighs. And hold here. You can gently sway from side to side, whatever feels right at this moment. One last breath here. And then release the hands to the floor and then walk them over to your right side. And as you do that, see if you can stretch the left leg straight. And then release, bending the left knee again. This time walk the hands over to the left side and then see if you can stretch the right knee straight. And then release, walking the hands back to the center, keep the knees bent, and slowly start coming up to standing. Now you could step the feet together or keep them hip-width distance apart as you prefer. As you inhale, reach the arms up, palms press, look up to the thumbs and elongate the whole body. Then exhale, fold forward, reaching down to the floor. Inhale, lift the head, elongate the spine, and you could come onto the fingertips here. And exhale, fold to the legs again. Inhale, come up to standing, reach up, palms press. And then exhale, release. 2 more times. Inhale, reach the arms up. And then exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, fold to your legs. Inhale, come all the way up to standing. Reach and elongate the body. And exhale, release. Last time, inhale, reach up. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, fold in. Inhale, return to standing. Reach. And exhale, release. Now with the next inhale, step the right foot back and then point the right foot towards the back of the mat. Left heel stays grounded. And then reach the right hand to your shin and then extend the left arm up to the sky for triangle position. And hold here. If you have a yoga block, you could use that block to the side of your foot. And then from this position, reach the left arm up overhead and towards the back of your mat. And keep the legs strong. Inhale. Come all the way up with the torso, stretching the arms out to the sides. And left hand comes to the back leg. Inhale, extend the right arm up. And then as you exhale, reverse your triangle position, reaching the right arm back behind you. Inhale, come back to the center and bring the feet to parallel. Interlace the fingers behind your back as you exhale. Then inhale, lift the chest, lift the chin, drawing the knuckles down towards the earth. And as you exhale, bring the arms forward, interlacing the fingers, flip the palms forward and round the back. Inhale, hands behind you, reach the heart up. Exhale, curl and reach the arms forward. One more time, inhale. And exhale. And then release. Point the left foot towards the front of the mat and then slowly enter triangle position, extending the right arm to the sky. And then reach the right arm overhead towards the front of your mat. And slowly inhale. Stand up. Arms reach out to the sides. Right hand comes down to your back leg. Inhale, reach the left arm up. And then exhale, reach it back for revolved or reversed triangle position. Inhale, come back through the center. Bring the feet to parallel again. As you exhale, interlace the fingers behind your back. Inhale, reach up for the crown of the head. And then as you exhale, start folding forward. Make sure you find your balance first and then extend the interlaced hands behind your back. Inhale, start coming up to standing. And then exhale, step to the front of your mat. As you inhale, reach the arms up, palms press. And then exhale, fold forward, reach down. Inhale, lift the head, lengthen. And then exhale, step back to plank position. And from plank position, lower the knees down to the floor. And then slowly with control, lower down onto the belly. Point the toes As you inhale, lift the head and chest up to cobra, lifting an amount that works for you. And then exhale through all fours position. Shift the hips back and up into downward facing. And then downward facing, walk the feet a few times, bending the right and the left knee. One last breath here. And then as you inhale, come forward to plank position. Again, lower the knees down to the floor first. And then with control, lower onto the belly. And point the toes. And bring the forearms in front of you with the elbows just beneath your shoulders. For Sphinx position. Lift the chest, elongate the neck, and hold here. One last breath. And then lower, bringing the hands beside your rib cage as you inhale. Lift up to all fours. Then separate the knees a little bit wider. Bring the big toes together. And then set the hips back for child's pose. Lower the forehead to the ground. And then once you're here, bend the elbows. Press the palms together. And let the fingers point up to the sky. And then release. Climb up to a seated position. Bring the knees together. And then sit to the left side of your feet. As you inhale, reach the left arm up. And then exhale, supporting yourself with the right hand, reaching to the side. Lean over to the right. And then release and switch sides. Sit over to the right side of your feet. Inhale, extend the right arm up, and then exhale, reach and hold. And then release. Swing the legs forward and bring the soles of your feet together with the heels a good distance away from your groin. And from here, curl and folding towards your feet. Inhale as you come up. And exhale, release this shape and feel free to rest a few moments in Shavasana. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next class.